Russia spends a lot of resources building and upgrading old tanks, but throw these out with poor tactic, lacking training, and leaving hatches open after abandoning the equipment. Seen here again with the upgraded T-80 tank, with a poorly constructed cope cage even for Russia's standard, leaves little protection with the hatch open against Ukraine's skillful drone operators, letting the drone to land on top of the hatch before falling into the tank and exploding, causing an internal fire which causes the ammunition to periodically catch fire. Destroying everything inside the tank, turning it into scrap metal, leaving one less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.